In this video, we will learn how to set up and use the best free VPN available online. This is a full tutorial on how to use Planet VPN. We will learn how to download and install Planet VPN for absolutely free. Then we will learn how to successfully connect to any VPN server using Planet VPN. If you would like to see more tutorials like this in the future, then make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So now the first thing is to head over into the Planet VPN website. I'm going to be leaving a direct link for this website in the video description so you can check out the website from there. Once you're here, you just need to go down and click on Free VPN for Windows. You will be taken into a page such as this and your VPN will start downloading. Let's wait for this to be finished. So now you'll be able to see Planet VPN has been downloaded. Let's click on it and let's install this one by one. Select to have a desktop shortcut and then click on install. The installation process will begin. Let's wait for it to finish. Now as you can see, Planet VPN has finished installing. And now let's launch Planet VPN from inside of our computer. Click on agree and continue. Now as you can see, all these free servers that are available here, you can simply click on them and connect to the VPN server. Let me show you an example. So let's say I want to select Germany. I'll click on it and then I'll click on connect. And now as you can see, the VPN was successfully connected. So that was a quick tutorial on how to install Planet VPN. If you like this tutorial and found it to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.